Kali Linux comes with Firefox by default, but if you prefer Chrome, here's how to install it directly from the terminal. Hi guys, welcome to Hanin Dhiya Tech channel. Let's get started. Step 1, click on Home folder. Go to the Downloads folder. Right-click, then open Terminal here. Now, please type this command. Press Enter and wait until the download finishes. Now you can see Google Chrome was downloaded. Let's check it. Please type ls. And there it is, Google Chrome stable _current AMD64.deb. Now we will install this file. Please type this command. Sudo apt install / Google Chrome stable _current AMD64.deb. Enter your Kali password. Now the installation is processing. Please wait until it's complete. Now let's open Chrome. And finally, we have successfully installed Google Chrome on Kali Linux. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Hanin Dhiya Tech channel for more Linux tutorials.